Toshi is currently trading at 0.006125. We are up 9.6% in the last 24 hours. In this video, we are going to briefly look at what the price of Toshi is saying on the 4-hour time frame. We are not still going to, as you can see, the altcoin market is currently recovering. We are going to be talking about the Ethereum BTC pair. Ethereum is currently outperforming BTC on the daily time frame. We are going to be talking about the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame as well. Not to forget one of the most important charts we've been covering for a couple of weeks now, which is the orders chart. Orders chart weekly time frame, excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. And we are also going to talk about this important chart, which is going to determine when altcoins is going to begin to explode. Altcoins are already recovering. Now, this is the Ethereum BTC monthly chart. We are also briefly going to talk about that. And not to forget the Genius Art that is expected to be signed soon. We are briefly going to talk about that, and also the possibility of Trump removing Powell as the Fed chairman. We are going to talk about that as well briefly. Now, let's talk about Toshi on the before then, let's even talk about Toshi on CoinMarketCap real quick. Now, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. If you're here to like this video, please like this video, smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Now, as you can see, the current market cap of Toshi is seated at technically $250 million. Trading volume is now gradually recovering after the entire crypto market crashed, I think, yesterday. You understand? Few hours ago, the entire market crashed as a result of the should I say fear, the sentiment that was spread of the whale that sold about $4 billion worth of BTC. So I think we are gradually heading to the 0.00063 zone right now. And what we expect to do, if we should get a correction, then we should get a bounce again from this precise price of around 0.00058 zone. But we've now closed, at least, I think, okay, we are left with 2 hours and 27 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. So by the time this 4-hour candle closes, it's going to be we closing 2 4-hour candles above this previous resistance, which is now acting as a support, a potential support. Now we need to break this zone, this 0.00063 zone, into a support, break it, break out of that resistance zone, then flipped it into a support, retest it. The moment we are retesting that zone, then you guys should begin to expect the price of 0.00007 technically, and also 0.00078 respectively. Before you know it, the price of Toshi will start shooting to the upside once again where it belongs. Toshi is one of the OG on the base ecosystem, and I consider Toshi as the #1 meme coin. Not by market cap though, on the base ecosystem. I'm talking about by relevance, by vibes, and also by age. The trading volume is seated at $25.2 million. We are up 3% in the last 24 hours. Sooner or later, we should begin to see a trading volume of $500 million, $1 billion for Toshi coin. And by then, the market cap should be running into billions already. I think the all-time high market cap was around $900 billion. You understand? CoinMarketCap is not tracking the exact all-time high. I think according to data on CoinMarketCap, is saying 600. Did I say $900 billion? $900 million. According to the data on CoinMarketCap, it's saying $608 million was the all-time high market cap for Toshi coin, whereas it was around $900 million. So sooner or later, Toshi will begin to head to the all-time high. The current market cap is seated at $250 million. We are just moving. Before you know it, we are going to complete this W pattern all the way back to $900 million. And it's going to take a lot of people by surprise. Now, there is 96% chance of the Genius Art to be signed into law in 2025. Now, yesterday they voted against it. Majority voted against it. I think about 14 hours ago. 210 Democrats and 13 Republicans voted against the Advancing Crypto Genius Art Clarity and Anti-CBDC Act. Now, about 196 Republicans voted for it, while 13 voted against it. Now, for the Democratic side, 210 voted against it, which is massive. I think those guys They are just something else, man. Retard. According to what Trump said a couple of hours ago, he says 11 representatives who voted against pro-crypto legislation have now agreed to vote in favor of advancing the bills. So I think sooner or later, that's why the what's it called? The betting on Polymarket is saying there's a 96% chance of the Crypto Genius Act bill to be signed into law in 2025. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. There's a 23% chance already for Mr. Paul to be removed. So the stars are aligning for a massive altcoin season, bull market, massive bull market already. Ethereum is already outperforming BTC, like I showed you guys. This is the Ethereum BTC chart. You understand? Ethereum is now outperforming BTC. And if you're heading to the monthly time frame for the Ethereum BTC chart, you would notice the last time the Ethereum BTC bottom was between December 2019 and 2020. And what happened after then? We got a massive rally all the way to 2021 November, which was the bull market peak for the last bull market cycle. Now, imagine, now the Ethereum BTC bottomed this time around in April 1st, 2025. And we are now up. We've bounced from this support area of 0.018. Now, imagine what would then happen when we start making our move to around this 0.080 for Ethereum. The altcoin market is going to explode and Ethereum price is going to explode. The current price of Ethereum, is seated at $3,171. It is up 6.7% in the last 24 hours. And guess what? BTC is lagging behind. BTC is up 1.6% in the last 24 hours. I'm still riding it. I intend to take profit either at this $119,000 or $119,600 for BTC price. It's going to get to maybe 121,000 soon, which is my final TP for the BTC long. I'm currently on BTC long. So Ethereum is clearly, obviously outperforming BTC. And sooner or later, the altcoin season is going to kickstart, because if you're paying attention to what the BTC dominance is doing already on the monthly, I prefer we stick to the monthly time frame in order to get a more solid data. You get now on the monthly, the BTC dominance is already correcting. I think so far we've corrected minus 2.2%. So far, the current BTC dominance is seated at 63.76%. We are left with 15 days and 15 hours until this current monthly candle closes. By the time we eventually break below this 60.37%, flip it into a resistance, then it's going to be a massive drop all the way to 55% for the BTC dominance. Now imagine a drop all the way to 55% is going to be explosive for the entire altcoin market. I think I'm beginning to agree with the super cycle narrative in the crypto space right now. Your altcoins are going to begin to rally and bring returns you never expected. Whatever price target you have in mind, increase it. Because the super cycle is likely to kickstart, which is going to be aggressively monstrous this time around. Now imagine, I think the BTC dominance is likely to get a bounce when we get to around 55%. Now you can take profit from your altcoin bag when the BTC dominance get to 55%. And the next massive take profit zone, which I'm going to be taking, massive take profit zone is going to be around 47% zone. By then we should be in an aggressive and massive profit by then. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominance drop aggressively and you see BTC price pumping, then altcoins are going to explode. And if you see BTC price dumping and you see, if you see the BTC dominance price dumping and you see BTC price lagging behind, like consolidating, then altcoins are going to get a relief rally. And that is what altcoins are currently doing. They are currently getting a relief rally. Because if you are paying attention, BTC is currently lagging behind, slowing down, while Ethereum and the altcoin market is outperforming BTC as a result of the BTC dominance drop. But I think my final target for the BTC dominance is around 39%. But to be on the safer side, I will take massive, almost every profit off the table when we get to 42% for the BTC dominance. Now, if you're paying attention to the orders chart, this is the orders chart on the weekly time frame. Like I've said countless times, we are already getting the bounce. The exact pattern that flashed last year flashed this year again. And the last time the pattern flashed, when we broke above it, flipped it into a support, we got a massive rally of over 5 weeks, non-stop pump to the upside. Over $260 billion was added to the orders chart. This is the orders chart excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Now, like I said previously in our previous video, the next pump, which is already happening, is going to align with the altcoin season, which is telling you that, giving us a sign that the next pump is going to be monstrous. Is going to be out of this world. We are not going to be pumping to the moon alone. We are going to be pumping straight to the Mars. Taking out this previous high, which is around $491 billion, which was the previous high in the last market cycle. This time around, we are going to tap into $600 and $700 billion for the orders chart, excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies. We might even tap into $1 trillion. Anything can happen. The Ethereum price is already pumping against BTC, and sooner or later we should expect $8,000 to $10,000 for Ethereum. By the time this pump continues to the upside to this zone, we should be expecting an $8,000 to $10,000 for Ethereum before this market cycle comes to an end. So as always, my name is Isaac. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that. Peace out.